Welcome to this video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to maintain your laptop or desktop computer running Windows 10. These maintenance steps can also be applied to earlier systems like Windows 8 and 7. By performing this maintenance, we will clean, optimize and speed up your computer, which tends to slow down over time due to regular usage. The best part about this maintenance is that we won't need any additional applications. Just follow the steps I'll be showing you. By the end, your computer should have optimal performance. However, if you want to be even faster, you may need a hardware upgrade. I'll cover that in another tutorial, so please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, so you will be notified when the hardware upgrade tutorial is ready, and you can make the necessary changes. Hello, I'm Felipe Perez and I welcome you to Felpers Technology, the channel that will guide you through the world of technology. To perform your computer, the first thing we are going to do is remove all temporary files generated on your computer. Here is how you can do it. Go to the Windows taskbar and type the word temp. Start with a percentage sign, then type temp and end with another percentage sign. Press the enter key and this will take you to the location where all the temporary files from the application you are using are stored. These files include temporary files from applications like Excel, PowerPoint, and other Office applications, as well as any other applications you have open on your computer. These files are essentially junk files. Don't worry about deleting them. Press the Shift key and the End key to select all the files at once, and then press the Delete key. This will remove all the files simultaneously. You may see a prompt indicating that some files cannot be deleted. This could be because an application is currently using them. You can either skip the prompt or choose to retry. If you select Retry, it will attempt to delete as many files as possible. If it can delete them, choose the option to do this for all items and select Skip. These files are not useful. They are just temporary files, so you can delete them without any issues. Let's fast forward the video a bit because this process might take some time. As you can see, I have 3,547 files, so it will take a while. Well, it's taking too long and not finishing the deletion process. Let's click on the X to close it. It is an example to show that it deleted many files, but there are still some remaining. We can select everything again by pressing the Ctrl key plus the letter E. Then press the Delete key. It says there are 48 files. I'll confirm the deletion. OK. This computer is a very good example of when a computer is malfunctioning. Let's click on Close since it doesn't allow me. I'll select some files and delete them. Yes to continue. I deleted a portion, but new files are being generated. It says canceling. It was the first batch of files I selected. The reason it's taking time is that it was counting too many files. OK, let's click on Close. Again, let's repeat the process. I'll select only a few files and delete them. The idea is to delete most of the temporary files. As I mentioned, some files are being used. But if you try just with some files, it will delete the ones that are not in use. This is how computer maintenance works. If you select everything, it probably won't let you delete them all. But if you select them gradually, just be patient and keep trying. OK. Excellent example to show how to delete temporary files. We are almost done. I leave it like this. I don't delete most of the files. Let's continue with the temporary files, but this time I'll go to another location in Windows where there are also temporary files. We won't do it from the Windows taskbar this time. If you type the word temp here, it will open a window that I don't want. I'll close it. I'll press the Windows key followed by the R key, and it will bring up the Run dialog box. Here I'll type the word temp only without the percentage signs like before and click OK. This screen will show me the temporary files generated by Windows. They are junk files, so don't be afraid to delete them. Again, you can press the Ctrl key and the letter A key to select all the temporary files and press the delete key. This way, I will delete all the temporary files. You may encounter a prompt asking you to retry or skip certain files. If you can't delete them, select the option to do this for all files and choose Skip. These remaining files are minimal, and that's fine. Deletion temporary files includes the first part of this tutorial on maintaining your computer. I'll see you in the next video where we'll continue with the optimization and improving performance. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to receive notifications for further tutorials that will surely help you. See you next time.